Hi friends, welcome to our channel. In this video, we will discuss about the nested dictionaries. Okay, what is mean by nested dictionaries? Okay, already in previous classes we learned about conditional statements like if else, nested if statements. Okay, nested for loop statements. Okay, this type of concepts we learned. Likewise, in this video also we will learn about nested dictionaries. That means dictionary inside the dictionary. Okay, let's have a look to it. See here, a dictionary can contain dictionaries. This is called a nested dictionary. Okay, already we have a main dictionary is there. In that, we have to include one sub dictionary. Okay, I'll show you one example. Okay, see here I am taking one example. That name is my family. Okay, my family I'm taking. Okay, in that my family is a variable. Okay, inside the variable I'm taking one dictionary. Okay, in that dictionary here I am taking one key value. Okay, that key value name is child one. Okay, child one. Here this is the key value. Under this key value, okay, under this key value, I'll prepare one more dictionary. Okay, under this key value, I'll prepare one more dictionary that is name and age. Okay, that is name, and here I'm giving name is Ashok, and as well as I'm giving age is 34 years. Okay, 34 years, and okay this is one key element. Okay, this is one key element. Under the key we prepared one more dictionary. This is called nested dictionary. Okay, likewise you will prepare more keys. Okay, here I'm taking child 1. Likewise I will take child 2 and as well as child 3. Okay, here this is the child 1, and this is the child, sorry, this is the child 2 as well as this is the child 3. Okay, here I am giving name is Kishore and age is 30, and as well as name is Ankit and age is 25 I am giving. Okay, see friends, here this is one dictionary. Okay, after, sorry, this is one key value. Okay, after we key value we mention one comma is must. Okay, here also you can mention one comma. Okay, this is, okay, this is nested dictionary. Okay, let's print it. Here I am printing print my family. Okay, print my family. It will print like this. Okay, it will print like this. See, under the child one, okay, here child one is the key value, and child one is the key, and this dictionary is the key value. Okay, this dictionary is the key value, and child two is one more key, and this dictionary is the this is the key value of child 2. Okay, as well as this is the key and this dictionary is the value. Okay, in this way we have to print nested dictionary. Okay, I hope you understand friends. Let's do practice. And we have one more way is there. Okay, we have one more way. I will show you that. That is, first I am taking child 1. Okay, child 1 is one dictionary. Okay, child 1 is one dictionary like name. Okay, like name Ashok, and is 34. Okay, is 34. In this way, okay, in this way I am taking two more dictionaries. Okay, here child one is, it's a perfect dictionary. Okay, this is child one, and this is child two, and this is child three. Okay, here I'm giving as Kishore and age is 30, and here I'm giving Ankit. Okay, and age is 25. Okay, here these are, okay, these are the perfect dictionaries. Okay, by using this dictionary I'll prepare like this. Okay, here I am taking main dictionary, that is my family. Under my family I am preparing one dictionary. Okay, here first key value name is child 1. Okay, first key value name is child 1. Okay, instead of value, okay, instead of value you can mention this variable name. Okay, you can mention that variable name, that is child1, comma. Next, instead of child2, okay, instead of child2, you can mention child2 like this. Okay, next child3. Okay, child3, instead of child3 you can mention child3 variable name. Okay, now see friends. Okay, this is the perfect, this is the next, these three are main dictionaries. Okay, by using these main dictionary variable names, I have prepared nested dictionary like this. Okay, I prepared nested dictionary like this. Now I am printing output, print my family. Okay, print my family. Okay, let's have a look. See, printed output like this. Okay, I hope you understand. Let's do practice, you can understand easily. Okay, in these two ways we can prepare nested dictionaries. Okay, next. Okay, the next point is how to access the element. Okay, how to access the elements. See under the print statement, after the variable name, you can give square braces. Okay, you can give square braces as well as variable name. Okay, you can give main variable name, that is your wish. Okay, main variable name. Suppose I want to access Ankit. Okay, I want to print Ankit. Here you can give first child 3. Okay, you can give child 3 this key value. Okay, child 3. After the child 3, okay, after the child 3, you can give square braces also. Okay, child 3. And next, okay, name. Okay, child 3 and name. Now it will print Ankit. Now it will print Ankit like this. Okay, here you can give these names. Okay, these key value names. First under the child 3. Okay, under the child 3, it key. Okay, under the child 3, in child 3 name, what name is there? Ankit is there. Suppose if you want to print in child 2 Kishore age. Okay, Kishore age, you can mention like this. Okay, it will print 30. Okay, in this way you can access elements in Nested Dictionary. Okay, I hope you understand friends. You can do practice. Okay, and one more concept, that is, okay, you can print by using for loops. Okay, by using for loop you can access the element. Okay, how can, let's have a look. See, here I'm using for x in, for x comma, okay, for x comma, object in my family, object in my family dot items. Okay, my family dot items. Now print x. Now print x. Up to now what happened? Okay, up to now what happened? Child 1. Okay, see, up to now, child 1, child 2, and child 3 variable names will be printed like this. Okay, child 1, child 2, child 3 variable names will be printed. But under child 1, we have some data, and as well as under child 2, we have some data, and under child 3, we have some data. Okay, these also you have to print. Okay, see, here this X is represents main dictionary, and this object is represent nested dictionary. Okay, let's have a look. For y in obj, okay, for y in object, for y in object, print print y plus y plus object square braces y. Okay, square braces y. Now it will print like this. See, under the child one, key value. Okay, key value pairs should be printed like this. Okay, key value pair should be, see, this x is represents main variable name, and this y is represents inside the object key value name. Okay, y is represents, see, this y is represents key value in the nested dictionary. Okay, and obj of y is represents value. Okay, value of nested dictionary. You can do practice friends. You can, once you do practice you can understand very easily. Okay, I hope you understand this video. Please do practice, practice, practice. Without practice we can't do anything. Okay, I hope you understand. Thank you so much.